Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off safe search mode on Safari on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to do browsing on your iPhone iOS 18 and if you see safe search mode on your Safari browser, and if you want to surf freely, so if you want to turn off the safe mode on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to really make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on that, and here you have to find reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here. So here you can simply find the option of all the option available. So if you want to check for your safe mode, then here is no option available. So if you want to check for it in bookmarks or all the settings, so you cannot find that. So you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to look for apps, and you have to go to Safari. And after that you have to check whether these settings are available in Safari or not. So if you search for here, then you can find search. So there is no option available, so you have to scroll it down until you find the option of extension, but you do not find the option of any kind of safe search mode. So if you want to turn off that safe search mode, then you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to screen time. So here you have to go to screen time, and after that you have to look for content privacy and restrictions. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to click on web and games. So here you have to scroll it down, and you have to click on web content. So here you can simply find three options. The first one is only approved website. So if you click on that, then only that website will be allowed which you have allowed. So these kind of websites are allowed in the content restriction and privacy mode. But if you select unrestricted, then any kind of website is available. So in this way you can simply check for a website. But if you want to turn it off all the way, then you have to simply turn off content privacy and restrictions toggle. So here you can simply check for that. So in this way you can simply turn off content and privacy restriction on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.